Let's take a look at how to brew a single serve in your Luxe Brewer. Fill the water tank to just below the single serve line. Next, pop in the smaller cone-shaped filter basket and line it with a paper filter. This shape brings out those bright, fruity flavor notes. Add freshly ground coffee to the filter basket, usually the same brew ratio as your normal brew. To ensure that the drip stop in the brew basket is not activated, remove the carafe lid. This allows the coffee to steep a little longer, unlocking those rich single-serve flavors. Select Brew. The Luxe Brewer will take about 4 minutes to complete the cycle before it automatically releases your coffee. Once it's done, you can replace the lid if you'd like, and that's it. Enjoy your brewed single serve. Rich, aromatic, and just the way you like it.